This repair video for the P1148 error code is specifically tailored for Infiniti G37 drivers. If your Infiniti G37 is showing up P1148 code, this is for you. This means the engine's computer, ECM, is having trouble maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture in the engine's cylinders on bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring problems, exhaust leaks, air leaks, other sensor issues. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Mostly, this engine code occurred in Nissan models: Altima, Maxima, Rogue, Sentra, Murano, Frontier, Pathfinder, Juke, Titan, and Infiniti vehicles: Infiniti G35, Infiniti G37, Infiniti Q50, Infiniti QX60, Infiniti M35. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.